Following the High Court order in Suo Moto PIL, Anjuna Panchayat has identified 275 structures been put up in no development zone in Anjuna beach belt. Today, Anjuna Panchayat informed the High Court that a stop work order has been issued to 26 such illegal structures. Soon, the show cause notice will be issued to remaining structures. The High Court today has also constituted one committee comprising Anjuna Panchayat officials, BDO and local police officers to monitor the illegal structures in that area.
In Anjuna illegal construction on beaches, the High Court has recorded that the Panchayat has issued stop work or stop commercial operation orders to around 26 establishments who Panchayat found that they are prima facie illegal. Now the court has said that these orders have to be implemented. The court has constituted a committee of the BDO, secretary, police inspector and the sarpanch of the village panchayat to monitor this implementation. So therefore, insofar these 26 establishments are concerned, there will be a closure of commercial activities or closure of the construction activities if they are going on.
What about remaining structures?
Remaining structures, the panchayat will issue show cause notices and they will be heard by the panchayat or reply will be taken by the panchayat and the panchayat will pass orders on them.
When is the next date of hearings?
This is gone in January now. The next date is given in January.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.